OpenCV is a massive open source computer vision, machine learning, and image processing library. OpenCV is compatible with a wide range of programming languages, including Python, C++, and Java. It can analyze photos and movies to recognize items, faces, and even human handwriting. When OpenCV is paired with other libraries such as NumPy, which is a highly optimized library for numerical operations, the number of tools in your disposal grows. As any operation that can be done in NumPy can be merged with OpenCV. The first major version of OpenCV was released in 2006. In October 2009, the second major version of OpenCV was released. In August 2012, OpenCV was taken by a non-profit organization, which is opencv.org. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a discipline that discusses how to reconstruct, interrupt, and interpret a 3D scene from its 2D images in terms of the structure inherent in the scene. It is concerned with modeling and simulating human vision with computer software and hardware. The field of computer vision overlaps with the following fields: image processing, which focuses on image manipulation; pattern recognition, which explains various techniques to classify patterns; and photogrammetry, which is concerned with obtaining accurate measurements from images. Application of computer vision. Here are some of the domains where computer vision is being applied. Number one, robotics application. This includes things like robot localization, navigation, obstacle avoidance, and human-robot interaction, which helps robots interact with people. And this domain includes things like classification and detection of illnesses, human organ reconstruction, and vision-guided robotics surgery. Industrial application of computer vision includes things like industrial inspection, barcode and package label reading, etc. Security application of computer vision includes things like biometrics and surveillance, for example, detecting uh, suspicious activities or behaviors. And finally, computer vision can be applied in transportation domain, for example, to have autonomous vehicles and for safety driving. Applications of OpenCV. There are lots of applications of the OpenCV libraries, and some of them are: number one is face recognition, automated inspection and surveillance, vehicle counting on highways along with their speeds, search and retrieve images and videos, navigation and control of robots and self-driving cars, object recognition, medical image analysis, and the recognition of advertisements on TV channels, and so on and so forth.